In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce quality on Capcut. Whether you're aiming to save storage space, speed up your upload times, or just working with constraints on file size, adjusting the quality of your video is a practical approach. Let's dive into the process and break it down step by step to ensure you're not missing a thing. First things first, you'll want to open Capcut and load the project you're currently working on. Once you have your project set up, all ready to be tweaked, it's time to move on to the exporting phase. Next, tap on the Export button. You'll typically find this option in the upper right corner of the app once your project is open. This is the gateway to modifying how your final video file will be saved and the level of quality you can manage for your file. Then, after you've hit the export button, make sure to select Export Options. This is a crucial step because it allows you to specify how you want your video to be exported and gives you control over various settings that impact your video's quality and file size. After entering the export options, now it's time to tap on Resolution. The resolution greatly affects both the video quality and the file size. Here, you'll want to choose a lower resolution option than your original settings. Options like 720p or even 480p offer a noticeable reduction in quality, which in turn minimizes the file size. This step is particularly important if you're aiming for easier and quicker uploads. With the resolution set, let's look at the frame rate. Go ahead and set the frame rate to a lower value if that's available to you. Standard options might include 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Lowering the frame rate will reduce the smoothness of your video, which can further help in shrinking file size, though it might reduce motion quality noticeably. Next, if the option is available, adjust the bitrate. Choosing a lower bitrate is another effective method for reducing file size. Bitrate controls the amount of data processed per second in your video, so selecting a lower option can conserve storage space and decrease upload times. Finally, once you've adjusted all these parameters, go ahead and export your video. Make sure to save your video with the reduced quality settings applied. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through the process of reducing your video's quality using Capcut. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage the quality and size of your video projects, making it more convenient to store, share and upload wherever needed. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope this guides you through the process seamlessly. Happy editing,